Hey guys, Mr. B here. So today I got a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to gain access to your spare tire and change out your spare tire. So the vehicle comes with these tools. You've got your lug wrench, a couple of adapters here, and then this hook piece that goes into like the bumper area to hook onto the spare tire holder. So on this vehicle, the spare tire is up under the frame right there. All right, so you take this hook tool with all the adapters on it, shove it through this square right here. As you turn it to the left, the tire will start to drop. Pull it out of here. You just want to push on that piece in the middle. Kind of reach your hand in there, grab it, and there's your spare tire. All right, so all the spare tire tools are underneath this seat. Little access port right here. And that gives you access to the jack and all the tools. All right, I got the rubber thing off. Oh, here we go. Turn that piece. So on this vehicle, I opted to use my floor jack and a jack stand just to be safe because I'm doing it here at my garage. If you were on the side of the road and you absolutely had to use this, you certainly could. There's a little hole right there for the hook tool that comes with the spare tire tools. So as you turn this piece to the right, it goes up. As you turn it to the left, it goes down. Obviously, you want to be very careful with this. This is not the safest way to lift a vehicle, but if you had to in an emergency, you certainly could. I would suggest using this bottle jack on the frame of the vehicle, right about there. Maybe the control arm if you absolutely had to, but that's a little sketchy. So if you really needed to, you could, and then run that hook tool further towards the front of the vehicle so that you don't have to be underneath of it. So if you absolutely had to, you could lift this without being in the way of it, because I would not trust my life with one of these jacks. This is for emergency use only. I would not use it, on a regular basis. All right, so if you're on the side of the road and all you have is your lug wrench and you don't have an impact gun like I do, this is really all you have to work with, right? So before you lower the vehicle down, you want to just kind of get your lug nuts started. So now that I've got the wheels, the lug nuts snugged up, I'm not really done yet. I need to really tighten them down a lot more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lower the vehicle down just enough to where the wheel is touching the ground, so that the wheel itself does not spin. Okay, so we're at the point now where that wheel doesn't want to turn, but I don't have all the weight of the vehicle onto the wheel yet, so I can go ahead and tighten up those lug nuts, make sure they go on nice and straight. If all you have is that tire iron, especially on a truck like this, you really want to put some weight into it. So I would recommend pushing down like this and really giving it a good snug. Unfortunately, there's really no way to know for sure, how tight they really are. You just have to tighten them down as tight as you can get them by hand so that it doesn't come loose. All right, so now that I've got all the lug nuts tight, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it all the way down. And another thing I should mention too, guys, is you should regularly check your spare tire. I know a lot of people don't. People don't really think about it, but in the event that you do have a flat tire, you would hate to have a flat spare as well. Over time, they do lose air. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and torque these lug nuts to manufacturer's spec, just because I am here at my garage and have my tools handy. And we'll see how close I got with the lug wrench to manufacturer's spec. So I got my torque wrench here. It's set to 84 foot-pounds. 83 is the manufacturer's spec, so that 1 foot-pound is really not going to make a difference. So I'm going to take my torque wrench and just double check and see if that tire iron gives you enough leverage to actually torque these lug nuts tight enough. And my torque wrench just clicked on that one. I'm gonna go around and double check all of them, but it does seem that even with that lug wrench, you can still tighten those lug nuts enough to where it's tight or even tighter than manufacturer's spec from the factory. All right, so once you're done, you got the wheel on. Don't forget to go ahead and wind up that spare tire holder there. You'd hate to be driving down the road and have it slap around. So as you turn it to the right, that chain piece goes up. You change out a spare tire on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe.